Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App something went wrong. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this error would be probably something either from your internet connection or some technical issues from the Cash App site. So basically there are only some basic troubleshooting that you can try first before starting going to sport or before going for other steps. And basically, the only first thing that you can try do is first try restarting the app because it might be just a tiny bug or some simple bug that occurring within the app. Otherwise, you will need to check for updates because, as I said, if it was some technical issues, so basically you will be needing to start re-updating or updating your app so you can get the issues that are to be fixed. And also, you will be needing to make sure that you have a reliable internet connection because connection problems or connection issues can be really the reason for these problems. And if you made sure to have uh, all these troubleshooting tips and the problem still persists, you might either wait for a little bit of time until the problem is fixed because it will be probably a technical issue uh, in from the Cash App side, or you can simply go to uh, the support and start chatting with support so you can make sure that there is technical issues within the support. So you can simply go to the support page and choose the chat so you can go and use the Cash App support. You can then go to the chat and ask them for any technical issues, and basically after that you will have your problem that will be fixed. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.